Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading the physics derivations of class 12 physics, lesson 1, electrostatics. This is the fourth derivation of this series, which is electric potential due to a point charge. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let them also get benefited out of this. Here we have drawn a diagram. At this point, a point charge is placed, that is plus Q or Q. And from this, at a distance of R, another point is chosen. At this point only, we are going to calculate the electric potential due to this point charge. So, as we are going to calculate the electric potential over here, a test charge is going to be placed at point P. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the definition of electric potential? The work done in bringing a test charge from infinity to a point which is at a particular distance, I mean R from the point charge. Okay. Now, Q, point charge, and small r, the distance in between Q and P. Now, electric potential at point P, what is the formula for it? V is equal to minus integral of E vector dot dr vector. The lower limit is infinity and the upper limit is R, because electric potential is nothing but the work done in bringing a test charge from an infinite distance to a point which is at a distance of R from the point charge, so that these limits are chosen. And in the next step, what about E vector? E vector is nothing but electric field. We know the expression for electric field, which is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared R cap. We are going to substitute in this equation. So we get V is equal to minus integral of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared R cap dot dr vector. In the next step, we have written everything as it is, but in the place of dr vector, I am going to write dr into R cap, because dr vector is equal to dr into R cap. That's why in the place of dr vector I have written like this. So in the next step, this R cap and R cap is grouped together. So everything I have written as it is, and R cap dot R cap and dr. We all know that what is the dot product of two unit vectors, which is nothing but 1. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared into 1 into dr, because R cap dot R cap is equal to 1. In the next step, minus integral of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared dr. In the next step, I have taken Q by 4 pi epsilon naught out, as they are constants, so we can't integrate them. So minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration of 1 by R squared dr. Now we are supposed to integrate this term 1 by R squared dr. Now let us see in the notes section how to integrate them. Here have a look at this note. Integration of 1 by R squared. This 1 by R squared can be written as R to the power of minus 2 dr. We know the formula of integration of xn dx, which is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, R power minus 2 gets integrated into R power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So in the next step, R power minus 1 by minus 1. So in the next step, minus R to the power of minus 1. In the next step, minus this R to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by R to the power of 1. So finally we get minus 1 by r. So this is the integrated value of integration of 1 by r square. So in the next step over here, we can write minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus 1 by r limits infinity to r. So in the next step, this minus and this minus into minus becomes plus. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by r infinity to r. Here I have substituted the limits. First 1 by r upper limit minus then 1 by infinity lower limit. 1 by infinity. Infinity, what is the value of infinity? 1 by 0. So if it goes up, it becomes 0 by 1. So altogether this term will become 0. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by r. It becomes 0. So the final expression is v is equal to q into 1 q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. That's all. So this is the final expression. With this video has come to an end. With another video, let us meet in the next session.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.